tutorial for BTS DNA. Now this tutorial will be covering mainly the chorus, but if you guys want to learn anything else of the song, let me know. Grab a snack, grab a drink, clear some space, moisturize your face, and let's get started. Shadow clone jukes. So you're gonna start with the hop. Just preliminarily, from there, you're gonna jump, bring your arms out and land on your toes. You're gonna have your toes facing out to the sides like this, and then immediately twist in, okay? So let's give that a try. So 3, 2, 1, and open, closed. And from here, you're gonna bring both feet in. You're on your left foot and you're up on your right heel. When you do that, you have, I think like this, yeah. You have your right hand up and left arm down straight, and you're going to twist to a 45 and switch arms, okay? So let's try that together. So 3, 2, 1, twist, okay? From here, go twice, like you're trying to get a shoe off your foot and it won't come off. And then you're gonna bring your feet together and then do a body wave, hands on your hips, starting from your knees, nice body wave. So knees lead and a body roll. From there, you're gonna put your right hand on your left shoulder and swipe right across and flex out your chest. So you flex out your chest and then drop the hand down here, like you're leaning on something for support. So from here, you're gonna rotate your shoulder in a circle once, and then you can do a little like pop with your knees. Let's just go over that part, okay? So we'll do it nice and slow from the top, and go, hop, open, turn, step, twist, 1, 2, body roll, swipe, and circle, okay? Very good, very good. From here, you're gonna turn towards the front again, and you put your hands on your knee. You're gonna bring your knee up to your stomach, and just like this, and then you're gonna drop your knee down, and your hands are gonna go out like guns to your sides at a 45. Then you're gonna bring your head down again, bring your knee up, and then put your arms out, now perfectly straight at a 90-degree angle. I remember this from grade school. Then from here, we're gonna add one more thing. So from here, you're gonna go, hands come around, and point your thumbs in towards yourself, and you're gonna go step, right heel, and then come back here. So we'll do that part really slow. Bend your elbows in, bend your knees in a bad squat. You know, like someone at the gym doesn't really know how to do a squat yet. Then you're gonna bring both your feet together, and at the same time, you're gonna throw down like that. This move comes up in BTS Fire as well. It's kind of the same idea. So you're gonna throw, and you're gonna wave and lean back a little bit. It's not super pronounced, it's just kind of a little bit of a wave like that. So you do 1 here, and then you're gonna do 3 up. 1, 2, 3, like that, okay? So let's put that part together. There. The next part's pretty easy. From there, you're going to do a wave with your body and your hands, come in and like do a little pulse, kind of just flinch, and then you come back up like this. Depending who you're following, I'm following RM here. He does a kind of like a little point to the side like that. Really, you can do whatever you like. You can freestyle a bit. I like to point and do a spin. We'll just go over it together from the knee move. So get ready and go. Okay, cool. The next move we're doing something different with the feet from the hands. Just separate them. We'll do the feet first. So you're going to step on your left heel, then come in, step with your right heel, come in, bend your knees, and then hop out into like a walking stance, okay? So let's try that with the feet nice and slow, and go left, right, in, bend, up, okay? So adding the hands in, the hands go to the left, and then they come across like this on your arms, and they go up once, up twice, and then out like this, okay? So we'll put it with the feet, we'll go really slow just so you get a feel for it. Get ready, and so open, face to left, right, down, out, and then we're doing that part. So what you're gonna do now, from here, you're gonna bring your left knee up, and your right hand goes to meet it, and then it stomps in front on the heel, and you put your arm back here, and then you slide back to where you were and circle your arms. D and A, and look up like that. Let's do that all together nice and slow. Just starting from here. Get ready and go. All right, awesome. So we're about 2/3 of the way through. This is the last part. So after you've done DNA and look up, you're gonna do left elbow back, right elbow back. Kind of like backstroke, but you're not really straightening out the arm. It's kind of a sharp movement like that. So two. So left arm, left leg, right arm, right leg. Then you're gonna come up with both your hands here, and you're gonna do a pulse. So you flex your arms and pop on your knee at the same time. You do 2, 1, 2. Then you're gonna pull open like you're opening 2 doors and do a front push kick like that. So we'll do that just part again. So pulse, pulse, push open, step, step. So when we do this, push open, step, step. Okay? Like that. And it's pretty quick. The steps happen pretty fast. So let's try those parts just from here. Do those together. Get ready and D and A. Okay, cool. What you're gonna do after you've stepped, you're gonna push your left shoulder back, your right shoulder comes forwards, and while your right shoulder is coming up, your left heel is gonna flick out quick. So your heel kind of goes fast and then slowly comes in like that. So from here, so we pushed, landed, and like that. So right shoulder forwards, this one goes and slowly comes in, like that. From there, you're going to bring your hands together, so your back of your hands are facing each other. Your chest is kind of in, and then you can open like that. Open your hands in your chest, and then do 1 circle with your hands, and then bring your hands together with a step forwards. So we'll do that together nice and slow. D and A. Like that. Okay, from here, we're going to be stepping at 45s, more or less facing forwards, but we're going to be stepping, so this is our step right, we're going to go left, and then we're going to go right again, okay? So what we're doing here, we've just finished circling the hands, we're going to step out with the left foot, and while we do that, put our hand on our hip, and our other hand on your hair, like this, and it goes around your hip, and your hand's going like this, side of your head, down your neck, down your chest, like that, down to your crotch. Your other hand goes on your outer thigh, and then goes behind you. So the hands look like this, like that. And while you're doing this part, you're going to, with the step, you're going to hit the heel out, and then slowly turn it till your toes are facing that way. When your hand's about to get here, you're going to step with your right foot and kind of lean lean a bit to your right. Let me move so you guys can see me. So you're going to lean a bit to your right, and then you're going to flip the heel again and throw your shoulder at the same time. So right shoulder and left heel, like that. And some of the members move their head too. You can do that if you want, but it's basically right shoulder, left foot, slowly come in. Starting from this part, okay? Get ready and go. Like that, okay? After that move, what are you gonna do is you're gonna slide out over to your right like this, okay? So you just slide with the right foot, left foot follows, arms open. And from there, it's like the move we did earlier. You bring the knee up like that, very quickly. And you have both your hands on top of your knee. And then you're gonna open up like that. You're gonna lean forwards, really lean forwards, show off your belly. that you're so proud of after the holidays, and open up your arms like that. From here, you're going to close in like that, like you're trying to reach down and tie your shoelaces, but instead your arms get confused and they go out like this. Then from there, you're going to slide back, kind of like a ballerina. Slide back with left hand up in the fist, right hand up in the fist, and try to be relaxed when you do it. And then go with your right leg and slide back, same thing, okay? Just slide in, open, closed, slide left, slide right. We're almost done. There's only a couple moves left. You're going to turn your heel, and you're going to show the back of your foot, front of your foot, and then land on your heel. While you do this, you're going to do a scoop with your right hand, okay? So just like this, and then land. From here, you're going to step and bring out your left foot and bring your left hand out in front, okay? From here, you're going to do a circle towards yourself like this, like you're eating. And so do one time round, flick up, and then look like you're trying to see it, okay? We'll stop there, and we're going to do that part all together. That part, slide step, close, open, closed, slide back, scoop, circle, up, and look at it. From here, you're going to step with your left foot and brush across your nose with your hand like that, with your thumb. Like you're giving yourself a thumbs up, but you're going across your nose. From there, you're going to spin in a circle, and you're going to land facing to the right with your left arm up, and you're going to do an arm wave. So shoulder leads, and then go out like that in a wave, okay? So look this way, and on the DNA, you do it like that, on DNA. We're going to do the different speeds, so we're going to do 70, 80, 90, and then we'll go into 100%. Right now it's not New Year's yet, but if you're watching this, it should be, so Happy New Year's to those of you who are watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to click down below and join the Far Nation. Anyways, thank you for watching. Have a beautiful life.